Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Aubameyang don't do in first media session for Barcelona and the guy can drop some kind of bombshell. And before I drop this news, I know so many people don't complain say most news now only Aubameyang. I don't talk say Blessing will go move on from this Aubameyang issue, but this type of news no be news where then they ignore, you get, because many media organizations upload this news. Everybody they report them. So myself I say I go report them for our own community. If you know say no one hear anything about Aubameyang, fast forward the video, make it go other news really for the front. So this news we say Aubameyang for the media session, they come they ask and say wetin can solve between you and Arteta. We say you can't face some kind of troubling times for Arsenal. You know they play for like the last 10 games, you know play, they train with the reserve, they train alone, you know, he just there for Benjamin, nothing. So back on talk say waiting him see be say now only Arteta now ain't get problem with say Arteta no like him and it's normal, say now football, say that's waiting we just talk, say no one talk too much, you know, say Paul Messi himself not too long ago don't come outside talk say Arteta and Aubameyang get one particular issue where we say they no one talk for public, nobody know wetin dey wrong with them, because I remember in the past Aubameyang with Arteta they hug themselves, they go they really happy with them, go come media session, go talk better things about them, things were going fine. All of a sudden, we don't know what's happen with the guy. You know, Aubameyang can say this thing self follow affect him because they unhappy for London, but he just keep calm. He don't want to talk because you know say the coach self still get power over your career. They feel no sell you at the same time they no go play you. Now the same thing and they happen to Dembele for Camp Nou. The Dembele main come out, he no go come out. Now even the president and the coach now don't come outside and say Dembele if he no play again, even though in the for squad. But if he don't know play again for maybe like the remaining 1 year of a season or remaining 6 months or whatever, we just did for bench like that in career would they die and stock would they go down. So now waiting make Aubameyang just keep short, no one follow Arteta argue. Now we be say don't come out for Arsenal, so no holds bad. Why don't come outside, they talk everything. Even said Arteta said not too long ago doing your own interview session, but say waiting they ask for Arsenal, you know hard. You know talk to me they score every match. Say any match you just come make the post net up and down. Say no. So waiting they talk say show that commitment, show that passion. Say Aubameyang lack the commitment and passion to drive Arsenal forward, and those are the non-negotiables. So you don't set. Say no matter as it be, bad as it bad. You must make sure say you still get the passion to wear this shirt, you get the passion to play very well. Say Aubameyang no get an Aubameyang don't come outside, the scatter table, they break the whole table, just the remaining leg with the table, they stand or don't scatter. Say now only Arteta in the problem with say the hierarchy, everybody they like him. You get say now Arteta now take that decision, and you know say the owners they go back the manager, because when manager don't come outside say this guy I don't need him for my team again, you get, you know they help me, so now distraction in be. They don't go get charged because they go remove him, because at the end of the day, the manager will sack. If they leave that player and maybe the team no come progress, they don't come sack the player. That's why any manager talk, they go listen to him. So now the news was saying I can't give you that today. I'm gonna move on to the next news. Master don't finish their Dubai tour, they are trading and everything. They say they go train for inside heat, so run come up for winter. So they don't come back to London now to come prepare for the match. They go play against Wolves for February 10. You get. That's about maybe 6 days time to go play the match. They go away from Molineux Stadium, go play Wolves, and that match will be very important, very important. Now like a must win for Arsenal, because Wolves and Arsenal they don't play 21 games, and Arsenal they like maybe 2 points or thereabouts ahead of Wolves. Wolves have the pursue European slots, so this match, the match will be say Arsenal no fit lose. And my happiness be say Adama Traore don't come up, because that guy they always give us problem anytime we play them. But I just dey happy say the guy don't go Barcelona, so nobody will go there faster than our players, because that guy they always give problem for that wing. You the guy that they run. I just say the guy be like one kind of bulldog with that muscle full everything. The guy get massive muscle mass. So thank God say the guy no dey again. So more they look up to that match now. The match will be very important. So at the same time, Arsenal home match they go play against Wolves. They don't reschedule them. They say we're supposed to play that match December 28th. So they can't reschedule. I think that was on a Tuesday. They can't reschedule them now. I just announced them yesterday. So now we will plan for February 24 on Thursday. You get, now we'll play the match. So which means we are playing back to back. Maybe after we play Wolves, we'll play Brentford, we'll come play Wolves again. So like double decider, he gets home and away. It could be very, very key for this top 4 race. It could be, even though plenty matches still there, but all these kind of small, all these kind of people say on a good day, whether on paper we better pass them. We put our team one-on-one, side by side, we better pass them. So all these kind of things, so also collect maximum points for their hand, give them back again. I don't say no smalling for EPL again, but at least if we meet them, we're supposed to show superiority. Say we pass now. I don't want to know how it won't be. We pass now. But Wolves have they informed now. We check their last 5 games. They win 4, draw 1. They even knock Manchester United. Wolves good now. So I never know how everything goes up. Well, what they watch. On my West Ham, now come as I see them, they're ready to offer £25.2 million for William Saliba. This William Saliba just they attract different interests. Even Real Madrid don't open talks with Arsenal for the games this summer. See they would like to sign the guys that just free them and don't reply anything to them. Even AC Milan self don't involve for the race. I don't know. AC Milan they don't want to replace Simon Jah, will be their own centre back leader. Like the guy on the old. So many people don't just scam the guy just because we send them out to go Marseille, make him go develop more. You see the reason why we can send this guy go out on the wall, won't send them. They feel say won't punish him. You see say he don't develop now. Many top clubs now on the scam and they look say me they can't carry him. That was the goal. We could send you out, make you go develop into a better player so that by the time you come back, all those kind of Pablo Mari, they will find their square root. All those kind of Rob Holding, they will find their square root. So we can't get that kind of Saliba trusty for the defense, defense replacement. As you get maybe Gabriel Magalhaes, Ben White for first choice, won't get that kind of Saliba trusty for second choice. You never know how Arteta plan to do Amo, but that was the goal. So I did very happy with the way the guy can develop, because reports what they hear from French league, we say this guy now one of the best defenders for that place. He don't keep more than 10 or like 12 clean sheets with in team Marcel. So they're very happy with the guy because in the play, I think that the left side of a back 3 for Marcel. So we're very happy with the guy, Sha. At the same time, like I said, don't come outside. Can't they do tributes for Aubameyang? Say thanks, Auba, for 4 years. Thanks for the 4 years. My experience in Arsenal would have been different without you. See you soon. This statement caused many controversy, caused many debates for social media on Twitter yesterday, because that kind of statement, when like I said, drop that tribute, at the end of the statement, he gonna say see you soon. Are you saying you are going to Barcelona to see him? Or are you giving us guarantee say you no go get any new contract to sign for Arsenal? Like you and Arteta don't agree, say you are finding your square roots. Because see you soon means say you no go dey Arsenal again, as you are going out to go see him. I be the talk say at the summer when I go there for holiday, you go travel go see him. No, many people just dey give different scenarios, different analogies, different permutation, different interpretation about this statement. Well, the koko be say everybody don't they give the guy tribute. Let's say people just keep quiet since now people when they release their statement. Like I said, don't drop your own and say Inter over for the last 4 years. With 2 of them they say normal then get one kind of bond. They will say if like I scored or come do that their salutes, that are shaking salutes, that kind of package. Well, they happy for the guy, say don't go back. I mean go enjoy yourself. I mean just leave all this Arteta issue. Focus forward, face your new team, play. You don't need all this thing hovering around your head like a cloud. Just face your new business. Even Bukayo Saka self don't come outside, they do tributes to Auba. So Babakon to say thank you everything, legend. Just celebrate Aubameyang, because Aubameyang self follow for people who groom and people who teach them how the things they go. Even Aubameyang self give him one nickname when they call him Little Chili. The bond between all these guys now, even though we know say nothing lasts forever, you get all these top players they come, top players they go. Now so it always be. So we guys move on, no get choice as a club. We'll just move on. So we said we do our own tribute. Say you don't do your own tribute. Oh yeah, put your own comments on the comment section. We can drop your own tribute. On my report what they get for Emirates Stadium, we say Tomiyasu dey set to miss the Wolves tie. I don't know what to do for Dubai. So they get report. Do Arsenal never come out officially come announce and say they go miss. So they wait that kind February 9 or February 8. We have to go do media conference. Can't give us the status of the players, but for now, people they thought saying they be like doubts for that match, so they prepare Cedric Suarez to play against Wolves right back. Well, we never really know, Sha. We will wait until on the 8th or 9th when Arteta will do a media conference, give us the status quo of all the players. We will know who they available, who know they available. So that's where we just be. Then at the same time, our monitoring speed is what they call the Athletic. Don't come outside, they let us know say if Arteta lose out for European spot, maybe end up for 7th or below the table, you get say the Fino give a new contract, say na the clause wey they give am for Emirates, say according to the Atletico, say if he no carry us go Europe, they no go renew him contract because they don dey put 2 years for the table. Say but if he carry them go Europe, then they will give am a lengthy contract, which means the thing when they do it dey work, you get. So at the end of the season, now they go take justify Arteta how many seasons done they for Arsenal, the 2 seasons or thereabouts. Wetin be the progress? Will they move forward, or will they move backward? What is going on? So at the end of the day, you know, analyzer or examine everything we don't do well. More to watch, and I wish my darling Arsenal the best of luck. We could make sure so we enter Europe. But everything now no be talk, because talk is cheap. And for the football play, for the field of play, that would they run everything. More to watch. Martinelli don dey set to assume a new role for Arsenal, because from Dubai where they work on the watch clips, you get many pundits come outside when they analyze the role wey Martinelli dey play for Dubai. The Martinelli trained as a central striker, he trained centrally, you get, no be for flank they come dey train am for that place, because they know say anything fit happen, they go wan draft am for that 9 position, so they don dey prepare am for that position. They don dey prepare am say okay, I know say you don master that left, because the guy dey very good for that left in direct runs, direct dribbling ability, take one dey run up and down, the guy dey run, just the guy be like horse, you know, dey tire, be like camel, we know dey tire. So now they prepare am for a central position, say okay, in case like I said, need to drop deeper from midfield, you get, so you now you go dey move into that 9 position, make the guy dey release you, dey free you, get, with your pace, go use am outrun all those kind of defenders, dey bust net. So everything a good one. At least they check different tactics, different dimension and formation where they go take attack opposition players. So they're very happy. At least a good one. Arsenal come outside now, they prepare new contracts for people like Saka, Martinelli, and William Saliba. You know, so not so long ago, I come outside tell una talk say Arsenal they prepare a lengthy contract for Bukayo Saka, because the contract will expire for 2024. And many people don't they circle the reason and say, one sign this boy, they monitor the situation. All those kind of Pep Guardiola, Jurgen Klopp, they don't monitor her. So Arsenal didn't say this one Shola will increase your contract. Then Martinelli own also they say they will increase that. Even Saliba won't be obvious, because ever since they buy him, they never really use him now. Loan. And contract now they remember maybe 2 years or less herself. So the reason now say okay, it's high time. Once he just come back for the summer, give him a bumper contract, give him better salary to pursue all those Real Madrid, the same allowed people the reason they matter. At least people know, so we don't create the core of our team moving forward. All these people they below like 25, at least in the next 3-4 years, by the time they will play together, bond together, acclimatize very well. Come on, this guy will be the beginning. My dear football lovers, if you don't watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see him. Click on so that you will watch yesterday's show and get all the updates, make you not miss any chicken updates concerning Arsenal. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.